What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of RC Unboxer. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at the Ford Shelby GT 500. It's red. It's a Mustang. What more could you ask for? Roll intro. All right, so let's take a look at this. It's an official licensed Ford product, whatever that means. Front wheel drive, so you're gonna need three AA 1.5 volt batteries, which I do have. Those are not included here. We get a controller that goes forward and backwards, left and right with an antenna, and some kind of squiggly wiggly barcode for me to sign, but I'm too old to scan barcodes nowadays, so yeah, that's not happening. Summon the swords. Alright, so, looks like I'm gonna have to use my trusty screwdriver. Alright, so I was finally able to get it out of the box, and wow, that took forever. On the bottom of the box, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 spots with a screw, and 2 more spots on the side holding the remote controller up. So you are going to need a screwdriver for sure. This is not for children. I know the box says 3+, but I mean, might I remind you, official licensed product of Ford. So, Ford Shelby GT 500, 1/24 scale, full functioning radio control. Comes in 2 colors, blue and red, of course. One does not simply buy a blue Mustang, you must buy the red one. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this bad boy and see its features. So, first of all, it's painted pretty nice. It's badged up officially, like the official Shelbys are. Even down to where the exhausts are. It's pretty accurate. Tires look pretty nice as well. It's a 1/24 die-cast model, so scaling is pretty nice actually. I got a pretty big hand, but you can see it fits in my hand. Gonna assume I'm gonna need the trusty screwdriver again to get off that, and that's probably gonna open up there, and should have an off and on switch somewhere, and yeah. Oh, you hear that? Flippity flip flip. All right, let's take a look at the controller, and wow, this is totally different. This is, what the hell is this? This looks like like an old Atari controller. The antenna is ridiculously long. Like, look at this. Like, it's at least 3 times the size of the controller itself. Like, look. Woo. Doesn't feel very sturdy either. But I guess forward, backwards, left, right. I mean, it is what it is. It's a simple remote control. Also, this looks like it's going to need the trusty screwdriver to get it open as well. So, I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. And then you have your on switch here, and looks like to the right is on. 2 batteries for the remote. Looks like the Shelby GT 500 is ready to hit the road. Oh, look at that. Lights up in the front. no reverse lights. Oh, looks about right. Shall we take it for a spin?